Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to give an overview of the User Management tab and the site-wide user management tools Pluto LMS has to offer. In order to do so, we're going to navigate to the Site Admin dashboard, which is found on the left-hand navigation panel. User Management is the first tab, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. And here we can see there are 6 panels within the User Management tab that describe certain actions you can take. You're able to manage existing users, you can add new users, assign roles to your users, sort your users into branch and manage automations, set up privacy settings, and even create user tours. In the Manage Users tab, you're able to view all the site users that you've added to your site. You're also able to perform certain bulk user actions. You can send messages to users on bulk, delete users on bulk, display them on a page. You can download users on bulk, and even force users to change their passwords. You can create custom profile fields, and these allow you to collect information from users, and they can be required or non-required fields in the form of text, drop-down, or selectable menus. You're also able to select user preferences such as their messaging preferences and their notification preferences. In the Add Users panel, you can create single users, and you can also bulk upload or update your users via CSV. This allows you to enroll users, add them to a branch or a group, assign a role, do all of these user management things on bulk via a single use CSV. In the Assign Role tab, you can assign site-wide roles and even course roles too. This allows you to give certain user access levels to your users depending on their role on the LMS. You can also create branches. Branches allow you to segment client data, split up your reports, separate client themes, customize learning paths for each branch, perform bulk user actions on each branch, and also synchronizes branch members with course enrollment. You're able to set up automations with branches, which ultimately saves you time. You can also create unlimited branches if you'd like to. Within the privacy panel, you're able to select certain privacy settings as well as apply site-wide policies. And lastly, in the creating tours panel, this allows you to create tours that help your end users get familiar with the LMS interface, and this allows you to onboard new users in an easier fashion.